Looking for a different place to escape crowded Benidorm? This is the ideal place right next door. Let's discover it together. We are in the gorgeous area of Cala Finestrat, surrounded by natural parks, ideal for hiking. This place also has its own beach. This side where we start the video right now is the Cala Finestrat, and the other one right in front of us is Cala Finestrat. And here we'll be able to find the beach, obviously, which is this gorgeous place right here, which we'll show you in a second, as well as numerous bars, restaurants, cafeterias, places of entertainment, and children's playgrounds, green alleys, apartments, hotels, whatever you wish is available right here next door. Right down this road here by the beach on Tuesdays and Saturdays in the morning and afternoon there is a local market, and in the summertime between June and September there's also a local outdoor market available for you. A gorgeous place that honestly is our favorite to come here. Look at this, even here on the parking lot there is sand. This feels like summer place. Right here is also a seafood restaurant. They've refurbished it and I think they've renewed even the logo out here with sea views. Not the cheapest one. It's been here since 1968 if I'm not wrong. But very nice. Place to play some sports. Right now, there's quite a strong wind now. It was gorgeous without it and quite hot without it, but now it's really cold because the wind's starting to rise. A lot of people here. By the way, this is also the beach where the night of San Juan is celebrated. Giant concert right here next door. People having dinner up until midnight in this specific area. Gorgeous views. Typical watchtowers right here next door. And it's very vivid whole year long. Even in winter, those who live here nearby are frequenting this beach, and in summer, us who wants to be slightly in a quieter atmosphere, usually that's where we go, avoiding the most popular locations such as the Levant beach, the Old Town, or the beach of Albir. That's where we go. Cala Finestrat, a gorgeous place, ideal to escape everything. Bus number 2 comes from Benidorm directly towards the shopping malls. It passes here by Cala and it goes directly towards the shopping mall of La Marina and the Carrefour. Great if you want to go for a shopping day and if you want to use public transport. That's where you could go. Very, very nice. It's not a huge beach also, which is why it also doesn't become that crowded as some other places. There's playgrounds nearby. There's paid sunbeds here. They cost exactly the same, 6 euros, as it is in Benidorm. 6 euros umbrella, 6 euros sunbed. And then they put also big big tents at the top, which cost slightly more. I think it's like 12 euros maybe, or 10 euros more or less. In summer, there's also SOS points here that are open in case you need anything. There's lifeguards. There's playgrounds for the kids, which are brand new ones with some tents and some natural shade. This is really, really appreciated, honestly, because we need some shade on this beach. This is also new. This is to read books, book reading. Look at that. This is a new place. This wasn't here before. Toilets here nearby. Same bus number 2, but going the other way around. And from here, we can already see way more businesses. There's bars, restaurants, cafeterias nearby. There's apartments like these ones. Mostly touristic apartments, honestly, but there's also people here who live a whole year long. Right behind these buildings, there's the end of the Poniente beach of Benidorm. Ice cream places, some of them are closed right now. Then we have pizzerias, we have shops with things that are for the beach. We have lovely cafeterias, which is our favorite one here, by the way, this one. right underneath the hotel, La Cala it's called. It is a beautiful atmosphere. Look at this, absolutely gorgeous. The cafeteria, very nice for some breakfast, some snacks. They have midday meals too. It's called Alameda Beach. This one right here. This one is Marina and this one is Alameda Beach. Love both of these. Absolutely gorgeous places, and look at the beach itself. Absolutely gorgeous beach with the clouds coming our way. Hopefully they won't spoil anything. Gorgeous, gorgeous place. Cafeterias, very nice breakfast options, international meals. Hotels. And just look at the beach. This is like a summer paradise, but we're still in May. Cocktail menu, cocktails for 56 euros, half a liter. That's not bad. Half liter 4, 2 euros a glass, 7 euros 1 liter. That's not bad. Crepes, waffles, look at this. Here an ice cream scoop is €1.50, milkshake 2.50, slushies from €1, churros 2.50 or 4 with chocolate, waffles 3 euros. That is not bad at all. I think that's the cheapest ice cream that we will probably be seeing here in the area. That's the cheapest one. The rest of them are always like 2 euros or even €2.50 a scoop, which is quite expensive. Rice places, restaurants, something slightly more fancy. Usually these restaurants always have slightly higher prices. All natural atmosphere. Terraces ready. In a lot of these places for the summer you have to book in advance the table, because if not it's going to be occupied. And they will not be able to provide you with paella or any like specific meals like this unless you book in advance. Some international places, the waterfront, La Cala Beach, people are getting their cocktails. Very lovely in the shade area, nicely decorated. Look at this. Gorgeous, isn't it? And from here you could go technically on the other side, which would be the end of the Poniente beach. Full of nature, gorgeous views. A very nice place here in the area. The water is crystal clear as well, even though some clouds are coming our way. But this is definitely a gorgeous place for people to enjoy. Afterwards in summer there's going to be like surf, paddle boards, like water boards, skiing, jet skiing here nearby. There's going to be a whole lot of options out here for when the summer months will be coming. But so far, even now, it looks like a little paradise village, where right next door we have a very, very noisy city of Benidorm. Let us know if you've ever been here on this side, slightly outside Benidorm and all the hustle. We are always coming to this beach wherever we feel like we want something quieter, some more family-friendly atmosphere. You can see it's not deep waters either, so it's ideal to come with kids. It's packed up with restaurants, bars, cafeterias. Some of them are under refurbishment, others are open already. And don't be fooled by clouds. Here it's still sunny. Maybe these clouds will not even come here. Right now it looks like this. So maybe it's all gonna be good. Even if the clouds will be here, I don't think it will spoil the day for all the people who are here about and around a gorgeous day, an incredible alternative for the city of Benidorm if you want to discover, explore, have a quieter day, try out typical Spanish restaurants here nearby, have a walk, get an ice cream, go to the park nearby to explore it. There's a lot of paths and options out there too for those who love nature. Thank you for accompanying us today, and we'll see you in a brand new video here on the channel tomorrow. Bye!